Hello, today I would like to present you this absolutely beautiful device that I recently purchased from AliExpress. This is a very horrible replica of military double radio push-to-talk combining device. This is something that the real army was using many years ago as like a very basic device. And that's because the radio were divided for like HF and internal team, currently like a PRC 152 or 148. They combining multiple radios, so you've got HF, VHF, UHF, SATCOM in single device. But back then you had to use like a Mentec radio for communicating in the airband or HF, and the separated radio for inside team. So by having device like this and two separated radios, you can press and transmit through one radio and then quickly jump to the other. So we've got one PTT, second PTT, and this device is basically like a horrible quality. Definitely I would not recommend it. But what is extremely interesting, this cable that were included, and they are Kenwood style, just take a look at this, they are absolutely amazing quality. If this would have got like a cover and the TCI logo, I would definitely tell that this is a real military gear. It is like a silicone, and just take a look at the compare between those two. This is a garbage and it's going to be quickly damaged. This feels like a real deal. Absolutely amazing. That feel crazy. And why I'm mentioning it, with cable like this you can create for a professional Kenwood radio connector for devices like, for example, signaling. So two cable like this with the military plug, this is a pretty good deal. And if you want, you can cut it, and here you can create a extremely nice looking set. And I'm going to be using this replica to not get any problem with the impedance. We are plugging ourselves like this. Let me present you how you can deploy this system totally in like a civilian situation. So imagine that you've got like event and you've got security and different team of people who are just doing like a event stuff. And you would like to be able to talk to two of them, but have them separated. So we've got 4 radios and we are going to be creating 2 talk groups. So first radio is going to be on the channel 1, and the second team of people, no matter who they are, for example security, they will be on channel 2, and all the radios are going to be on channel 2. And here same thing, one radio on channel 1, second radio on channel 2. And I can transmit from this radio to the first team, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From second radio to the second team, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you can see, they are not hearing each other and they are not blocking themselves. And now we are using our beauty. We are attaching our double PTT here. So if you are like a manager that is going to be joining those 2 teams of people, we go like this. And now when I press here, we are transmitting on one section. Can you see this? This radio is transmitting. Here the second radio is transmitting, and we are receiving here 1, 2. Can you see this? Absolutely amazing. Let's take it into field and give it a try and check how they sound. I've got my headset on top of my head, and we can give it a real try. So I will transmit through the one radio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm transmitting using this radio, and this is how you can hear me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm transmitting using this radio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, this device is working absolutely amazing. Of course, since it is a cheap, low quality, I would not trust my life on it. But if you are looking for something inexpensive or very good cable for the Kenwood style, then I definitely recommend you. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye-bye.